Cinema 4D is your gateway to another world and another dimension. Cinema 4D is the #1 tool if you're looking for powerful, reliable software to bring your creativity and ideas to life. Whatever you can imagine can be created in Cinema 4D. No matter how complex your idea, you can depend on Cinema 4D from the very first polygon to the final scene, rendering, or animation. If you ever wanted to dive into 3D, now is the time. 3D software in general is complex, but we at Maxon believe, and Cinema 4D proves that 3D can be mastered by almost anyone. What you see here is renowned as the easiest to use professional 3D software. Everything you need is already integrated. You can create scenes, easily add textures and materials, add the ideal lighting, cameras, and the fast enhanced OpenGL viewport displays everything you need in real time. In the end, literally everything can be animated to meet or exceed any demands a director may have, from simple objects to the smallest parameter deep within a hierarchy. With the physical renderer, you get realistic results you never imagined could be achieved on a computer. And if you don't want realism, well, we even have tools for that. Primary goal to give artists the greatest amount of creative freedom, with software that provides the ability to work at the highest professional standards, while also being accessible to anyone from 3D beginner to high-end professional. Maxon has given easy-to-use 3D software a name: Cinema 4D. In addition to the standard features you probably already know, we have integrated powerful tools into Cinema 4D that leave nothing to be desired. Whether you need dynamics behavior, cloth simulation, or realistic hair and burr, everything is at your fingertips and is being used by artists around the globe in a wide variety of industries, including film, visual effects, broadcast, design, illustration, product engineering, science, medicine, and more. Our clients count on reliability and professionalism of Cinema 4D, whether creating a sophisticated motion graphic scene, modeling, rigging animated characters, or rendering high-end stereoscopic imagery. Cinema 4D is your loyal companion from first encounter to the very last rendered frame for the worlds that you create. And if you need to go even further, you can use the node-based solution solver Espresso, or write your own plugins, Python scripts. You'll also be amazed by the integration of file formats and the connectivity to other software. Maxon works with leading software and hardware developers to make sure that the only thing you have to worry about is being as creative as you can be. Maxon has given easy-to-use 3D software a name: Cinema 4D.